Hey you! Do you like to play games? Well, I do. So today I'm going to build Tic Tac Toe in Flutter. In this video, I'll show you the complete journey from looking like this to this. Flutter is awesome for running smooth animations in mobile apps, so I decided why not create a game with it. So I began by looking for easy games that I can make, and finally I chose Tic Tac Toe. As you know, the rules are really very simple. The first person to fill out a complete row, column or diagonal wins. So I created a Flutter application with a 3x3 grid, and whenever you click on any tile you will see a cross or circle depending upon the player's turn. After each turn we just need to check whether anyone has won the game, display the winner and restart the game over again. By the way, you can check out the complete app in the description given below. The app is currently available on the Google Play Store. Okay, so the logic is working fine, and now we can move on to improve the UI of our game because it looks pretty basic. So I added some animation to it, some cool looking color to the board, and the game broke down. I don't know what's happening. After wasting a lot of hours, I managed to make it work again, and the 2-player mode works fine. Now you can swipe left and right to change the color of the board. With every swipe, you can see that the color of the board and button changes simultaneously. Now it was time to take the design to a whole new level and make the game more appealing. So I created a design in Adobe XD of how my game should look. I added some onboarding screens, a dashboard screen, statistics and a shop page. Finally, I also added a versus AI mode, which is a single player mode where you can play with AI. I can assure you that this AI is not a bunch of if-else statements. Actually, it is. For those of you who are interested, I've calculated the best moves for each row, column and diagonal, then randomly selected any one of those moves. For every game that you play, you will earn a cashback that you can use to purchase new boards. Click on the shop icon to see all the boards. For each board, you can see a cashback amount that you will get if you play on that board. Higher the price of the board, the higher the amount of cashback. Also, you can see this nice confetti animation whenever you will unlock the board. For this animation, you can use the confetti package, which is really nice. The link is in the description, do check it out. I've also made a post on the confetti package on my Instagram account. You can follow me there for more Flutter related content. After unlocking the board, you can see that the whole app theme will change depending upon the board you're on. The buttons, the statistics page, the text animation, everything will change. In the statistics page, you can see various details of your gameplay like wins, loss, draw, etc. You can also share this app with your friends by clicking on the share button, and you can rate it on the Google Play Store. To make the game more interesting, I've also added a spinner that will allow you to win more coins. I designed the spinner in Adobe XD, taking inspiration from dribble.com and finally creating it in our app using the package Flutter spinning wheel. Link is in the description. Finally, every game has some sound effects, so I added some to our game. I took a bunch of coins, recorded its sound, edited it, and voila! Now our game looks pretty decent. I would highly recommend you to check out the app and let me know your thoughts on it. I'd be really happy to hear your feedback on the app. And here are some of the clips for you folks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.